In this video, I am showing how dokla dish is prepared. Dokla dish is very common and loved by many, but the recipe varies from person to person. To prepare this dish at our home, we need some very common food items, like chickpea flour, also known as besan, suji, 1 lemon, or a lime, water, little amount of table salt, sugar, mustard seeds, small amount of turmeric powder, baking powder, and curry leaves. After taking out the chickpea flour in a bowl, I am mixing 3 spoonfuls of suji. Now cutting 1 lemon, and taking out its juice, in a small bowl. Mixing small amount of table salt with the chickpea flour. And adding small amount of turmeric powder to give a yellowish color to the dish. Now add the lemon juice. Adding water, as per requirement of the dish, and stirring it. Adding baking powder, and mixing all the ingredient properly. Taking a white clean paper, and cutting the paper in round shape, so that it fit into the bowl, where the dokla dish will be cooked. After cutting the paper, putting it inside the bowl, and pouring the liquid ingredients into the bowl. Now boiling the water, as per requirement, in which the bowl will fit, so that the dish can be cooked above the water, on a stand. After everything is ready, put the bowl with the liquid ingredients, on the stand, and cover it. After the water is boiled for a few minutes, the water level will keep on decreasing, as the dish is cooking. After the dish is cooked, take it out, and cut into small pieces. Dokla dish is almost ready. Now the final part. Heating small amount of ghee, or one can use olive oil also, and putting small amount of mustard seeds on the heated ghee. Now adding curry leaves, and small amount of sugar. Lastly adding 1 cup of water, and boiling it. Pouring it over the dokla, for giving an added taste. One can add green chili also, for a hot taste. Serve it, and enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.